Guys, so those of you who have been asking for how to install the FIFA 16 mode FC25, and this is the process. Please, the game or the process is very complicated. If you don't take time, or if you don't take your time and follow the process, you guys have been this time, like, you should just watch the full video. Don't try to skip. Some people are always trying to skip the video and they are just trying to skip and see what will happen at the end. No, if you do so, you are not going to get the understanding, the process. So just relax, follow the steps, watch the video till the end, and after that you are going to get the best result. Because if you don't watch the video till the end, how will you be able to install? Maybe you are going to skip some process and you will not be able to install the game. So if you are ready, let's start. So first of all, this is how you are going, or this is what you are going to do. You first need to install these 3 apps. The APK editor. You install the APK editor, this files app, and the Z Archiver. This Z Archiver. Okay. So now, after downloading your game files, just open the Z Archiver. This is my game files. This is my game files. Now these are my game files. So these are my files. These are the game files. I'm going to pin my Telegram channel, into this video's description, or I'll pin it at the comment section. And if you want, or if you need the game link, just send me a message there and I'll send you the link. Because the developer will not allow us to share the link on YouTube. Yes, it's not right. That's not the right way, because he also invested an amount to create or to program this game. So you cannot just use this for free. So I'll just pin my Telegram channel in the video description. When you send me a message on my Telegram, I'll just give you the programmer website for you to go and download it. Yes. So this is the game link. First, this is the data file. What you are going to do is you just press on it. You go to view. You open the data. Then you copy this. File. This file contains this folder contains a whole lot of files. This is it. This is the folder and the files that this folder contains. So you just copy this file. You go to Android. You go to data. Then you paste this. This is it. I've already installed this game, so I don't want to get duplicated files, or else my game will crash. Yeah. So this is the. If you paste it here, this is how it's going to look like. This is it. Then you go back, cancel it. You go back to your game files. You apply the same method to the other files. So this is the FIFA 16 mobile data pack asset. You click on it. You click on view. You will not copy this one because this folder is already there. So you open it. Then you copy this folder. You copy this. You go to your Android. You go to the data. You go to the game folder. This is it. You open it. You see, the file we copied, the folder we copied is named asset, and we already have an asset folder here. So when you are trying to paste it, this is what they are going to ask you. Yes, files blah 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 already exist. So this is what you're supposed to do. You click on apply to all files, then you click on skip, because if you click on replace, it will delete the previous 16, the assets folder that contain the 16. So it will delete that one and paste this one, but we don't want to delete that one too, so you just click on skip. You click on apply to all files and click on skip. Click on skip. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back to the game folder or the game files. BGFC24 zip, and also the same thing about other side. You just click on it, you view it, you open the BG24 folder, you open this one too, then you copy the assets folder. Click on, you long press, you click on it, you copy, you go to your Android, you open the data files, you open the game folder, then you paste it here. It's going to ask you the same question. Don't replace, just click on apply to all files and skip. Press on skip. Go back to your game files. This is the FIFA 16 APK plus OBB new updates. You open that one, you view, you open the OBB. Don't copy this, just open this one too. You go back, then copy the whole folder. Go to your Android, open on your OBB folder, then paste it here. Paste it here. So this is how it's going to look like. After you go back, cancel it, you go back. You open the FIFA 6 English commentary, the commentary. You open the commentary, you view, you open the data, this data folder. You not copy this. You open this folder too. Then you copy it. You copy from the speech, this folder. You copy this folder. Copy. You go to your Android. You go to your data file. You go to your game folder, then you paste it. This is it. You paste it here. You paste it here. Go back. You are not done. Yes, this is the last file. 6 gig, the full scene asset. You view it. You open this folder, then you copy it from here. This folder. You copy it. You go to your Android, you go to your data, you go to your game folder, then you paste it here. This is it. Scene assets. This is it. This is the folder. It contains 32 items or 32 files. You paste it here. Then you are good to go. After doing this, just long press on the folder and go to properties. Game information. You long press on the folder and go to click on information. Then you wait and check on the storage or the size of that folder. The size of that folder should be more than 24 gig plus. So if we just let's wait and see. Yes, you see, the general information, type, folder, files count 12,600 126,643. Size 2.8 25.44 gigabytes. All right, so if you finish copying all the files into the game folder, this is the total size you have to get, at least. But it should not be less than 20 gig. It should be more than 20 gig. Sometimes after finishing everything, or after copying everything, you can get 23 gig, 24 gig, sometimes 21, but it shouldn't be less than 20. Alright, so when you are done with the files, then you go back to and extract the files that contain the game apps. For here, I think I forgot to bring the game, or I forgot to bring the files that contain the apps. The file contains of 6 different applications, and is a 6 because it's not every phone, or some of the phones doesn't support, or some of the app doesn't support. It's not every phone that is compatible for it. That's the reason why the file or the apps is 6 there. So you just try to test them. You just try to test them. So the one that will be compatible for your device, then you use that one. So the apps is here. The apps are here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. These are the apps. For me, after installing, the first app was compatible for my device, so I didn't get much problem. But if you install the first app and it didn't work, or it doesn't work, just come to the second one, go to install. Because I've already installed the first app, that's the reason why here they say, do you want to update? Yeah, let's have it. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to be. Because I've already let me go back so that you see. Let me go to now. You see, this is my app here. Because I'm already having this one, that's the reason why if I click on the different app, they ask me, do you want to update? So if you have already installed any and it doesn't work, you just have to click on different app, then you update. It will not affect your game files. Yes, it is not going to affect your game files. So that's how to install this game. So let me just go and open my game for you to see whether it, after doing it, did it work or it doesn't work. Did it work or it doesn't work.
AFC 24 udah update transfer terbaru dan Mbappe udah di Madrid cuy, dan juga udah full tournament ini cuy, ada Euro, UCL dan lain-lain.
But there's one problem, but it's not everyone who gets this problem. If you install the game and you notice that after launching the game it's working, but you are having half screen, just follow this step. If you are having, this is if after installing the game and you're having half screen. Yes, get half screen. That's the reason why the APK editor is there. This is what you are going to do. Let's assume this the first app was the file that works perfectly for you. Let's assume the first app is the app that works or that was compatible for your device. Copy that app. Copy that app. Then copy it to different location because you are going to use it to do something. So let me just open downloads. No, let me just open. Okay, let me go to podcast. Let me put the app here. Let's assume this was the app that was compatible for your device. Just copy the app here or copy it to where you can easily locate it. Then go back and open your APK editor. Open your APK editor. Then select APK file. Select an APK file, the first one. You click on it. Then you go to where you copy that app to. I copy it to podcast. This is the application. Then click on it. Then go to common edits. Click on common edit. Scroll down. Then change this number 23. Change it to 29. Then save. You change it to 29. Then save. Yes, succeed. When you are done, don't install it, don't remove it, just click on close. Then go back to your Z Achiever. Go back to Z Achiever. Then try to search for this folder because you have used the APK editor. It will create a folder here. Try to search for this. Then click on it, open the temp. Then install this because you have modified app. You have to install this. You click on it, install, then you click on the update. It will automatically change the previous installed one already. It will automatically change it so that this new one will be installed. After doing this, just go and open your game and you will get your full screen. Everything will start working perfectly for you. So guys, thank you.